Welcome to Vidya Shakti classes. So today, as you were informed, we are going to have an MCQ session, children. So before starting the test, I'm going to play two videos which provides you the instructions how to write your roll number, your school name and test number in a bubble sheet and how to shade the answers. Okay, so I'm going to share the videos, listen and observe it carefully. So I'm sharing the screen and sharing the video with you.
Welcome to Vidya Shakti MCQ answering system. Your school would have been given a bubble sheet. This is called a bubble sheet. In this, first you have to write school name. Remember, you should write school name only in English in capital letters. For example, I am writing CS Hara Hua. This is only example. I write this as example, but you should write your school name like this in English in capital letters only. Try to write in big letters, not small letters. Okay, this is the first thing. Second thing is test number. Before starting the MCQ exam, Vidya Shakti teacher will display a test number on the screen. You should write that number here. For example, I am writing 146. This is only for example. Actually, Vidya Shakti teacher will display that number. Each test is different. Only that number you should write. This is only for example. Next thing is roll number. In your school, as per attendance, you will be given a roll number. That number you should write. For example, if your roll number is 104, you should write 104 in these three boxes. If again this is example only. In case your roll number is 2-digit, for example 34, you should write 34 like this. In case your roll number is only single digit, for example 5, you should write like this. Hope this is clear. Again, the roll number, test number, school name, these are all examples that I have given. You should write the actual ones for your school and your roll number. Don't do anything on this roll number bubbles below that. Okay, 0 to 9 is given. Don't do anything on that. The next thing is Vidya Shakti teacher will be displaying one question at a time on the screen. That question will have 4 options, answer options A, B, C, D. You should think, write, shade or color the correct bubble. This is same like Nipun exam. For the first question, if the answer is B, you should shade B. Use black pen. Do not use pencil. Either black pen or blue pen. Don't use pencil. You should shade this bubble. Then the Vidya Shakti teacher will show the second question. For that question, what is the right answer? If the right answer is D, again you shade this like this. Shade it fully. Okay. Do not smudge. Do not shade two bubbles at all. For one question, there should be only one answer. So, do not shade two bubbles. If you have made it wrong, leave it. I repeat, this is only for example. For the right answer, based on the question, you should shade the correct bubble. Like this, all the 20 questions you will be shading. Do not write anything else on the bubble sheet. This is very, very important. Do not write your name. Do not write your class. Do not write your section. Do not. Only school name, test number and roll number should be there. All the answer bubbles you should correctly shade. Do not smudge. Do not crumple this paper. This is very, very important. The paper should be clean. Do not write anything. Do not put any line anywhere. This is important. If any of these sheets do have any lines or unwanted shading or unwanted names, etc., that answer paper will be rejected. Thank you. All the best. Jai Vidya Shakti. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.
Okay, children. Now I'm going to share the video number 2. Okay, video number 2, which is for them, for the students who have not received an OMR sheet. Okay, so the instruction are to be followed. Those who have not received an OMR sheet.
Welcome to Vidya Shakti MCQ answering system. This is a handwritten answer sheet. Those schools which have not received MCQ bubble sheets, they can use this thing. You should use only the ruled notebook. Do not use unruled notebook. This is the first thing. Ruled notebook only must be used. First thing should be school. You have to manually write school. Write everything in big capital letters. School. Then after that, for example, I write CS Harahua. This is example only. You should write your school name. It should be only in English. It should be only in capital letters. It should be in big letters. Okay. Second thing is test. T-E-S-T. There's a colon symbol there. Test. Before starting the test, Vidya Shakti teacher will display the test number. Each test is different. That test number you should write. For example, if the teacher displays 153, you should write like this. This is example only. Whatever the Vidya Shakti teacher displays, that test number you should write here. And write legibly. Do not strike anything. Do not score out anything. Next thing is roll number. This roll number is as per the attendance. For example, if your roll number is 74, you write 74 like this. Whatever is the roll number that is given as per the attendance in your school, you should write this. Again, the school name, test number, roll number, these are all the examples that I have written. Don't write this. You should write your actual school name, the test number displayed by Vidya Shakti teacher, and the roll number of you, actual roll number of you. Then Vidya Shakti teacher will display question. One by one teacher will display. For the first question, you should read, think, choose the correct answer. If the first question correct answer is B, write B. Again, do not score out, do not strike. If you have written wrongly, leave it, no problem. Okay. These questions are for only understanding, not for evaluation. Okay. For then Vidya Shakti teacher will display the second question. For that question, if the answer is C, again to write C. For the third question, if the answer is A, right answer is A. The answers B, C, A that I have written, these are all only for examples. For each question, what is the correct answer? You should write that. Like this, all the 20 questions, Vidya Shakti teacher will display. You should choose the correct answer, write that particular thing. For example, if and for the question number 5, you have written, say for example, this is D. For question number 5, you do not know the answer. Do not leave it blank. Write something A, B, C or D. Do not leave it. Do not leave it blank. If you do not know the answer, write at least A or B or C or D. Don't leave it. Right? The next thing is very, very important. Do not write your name on this sheet. Do not write your class. Do not write your section. Do not draw any line or put any drawing. Do not do anything else apart from this. Question 1 to 10 should be like this. 11 to 20 should be on the right hand side. It should be 1 followed by dot, 2 followed by dot, same way, 10 followed by dot, same way on the right hand side. Leave some gap here between left hand side row, right hand side row, 11, 12 dot, 13 dot. Do not put like open bracket, 11 close bracket. Do not do like that. Do not put any angle brackets. Do not put any arrow marks. It should be, the question should be number dot. Answer should be either A or B or C or D in capital letters only. If you put arrow marks, if you put brackets, if you put angle brackets, or if you draw any line, if you smudge this or crumple this paper, that answer paper will be rejected. These answers and names I have given only for examples. You should write the actual ones when the test is going on. Thank you. All the best.
So children, hope the instructions are quite clear to you all. So you are waiting for the test. Let's get started. तो बेटा हम लोग अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने क्लास को, अपने एमसीक्यू सेशन को, सॉरी। तो इसमें क्या करना है आपको पूरी तरह से बता रखा है, इंस्ट्रक्शन सब दिया हुआ है ना। तो इंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या क्या दिया है बेटा आपको? इंस्ट्रक्शन में आपको ये बताया गया है कि आपने क्या करना है ना। स्कूल का नाम लिखना है आपने कैपिटल लेटर्स में। टेस्ट नंबर मैं अभी आपको शो करूंगी, आपको अभी बताऊंगी, वही टेस्ट नंबर आपने क्या करना है बेटा, दिखाना है, ठीक है। ओके, जस्ट अ सेकेंड। तो आज का जो टेस्ट नंबर है वो है 1423। जस्ट नोट कर लीजिए, आज का जो टेस्ट नंबर है वो है 1423, राइट। एक मिनट, let me share it once again. Just a second, children. Soni ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Should I
Ma'am,
proceed?
yeah, ma'am. My screen is frozen, I think.
1
I'm
minute.
not able to, yeah.
Two minutes, ma'am. Ma'am, if you can display the first question, Virginia, ma'am.
Just a second, ma'am. I don't know what happened to my system. Ma'am, are you not able to share the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Sharing, ma'am. Karthik sir, please allow Varkha ma'am to be the host. I'm joining from her laptop. Karthik sir,
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
please allow Varkha.
Yeah, am I audible? So your test number will be 1421 and we are proceeding 1423. Yes. So we'll proceed to the next question and the question number 1. Are you all ready with your test number? Right? Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, the first question is she writes a letter every day. Change into past tense. A option, she is writing a letter every day. B, she wrote a letter every day. C, she will write a letter every day. D, she was writing a letter every day. The first question is she writes a letter every day. Change into past tense. A, she is writing a letter every day. B, she wrote a letter every day. C, she will write a letter every day. D, she was writing a letter every day. Please choose your, think your, what is your answer and then bubble it into the sheet. Shade it into the bubble sheet because you should not bubble two answers at a time, right? Only one option you have. Can I go to the question number 2? Yes. I'm waiting. Once you're done, let me know in the chat box you're done so that I can go to the next. Yes. So we'll go to the next question, right? Second question is they played football yesterday. Change into future tense. A option is they will play football tomorrow. They play football tomorrow. C option is they are playing football tomorrow. D option is they have played football tomorrow. Are you done? I'll read once again the second question. They played football yesterday. Change into future tense. They will play football tomorrow. They play football tomorrow. C option. They are playing football tomorrow. They have played football tomorrow. Think and then ink. They say, right? So think your answers and then ink it, then shade it. Right. Good. Are you done? Shall we go to the third question? Read the question properly, read the options properly, and see what you have to change into future tense. Right. Yes. So let me proceed to the next. She said, I am tired. Change into indirect speech. She said, I am tired. Change into indirect speech. A option, she said that she is tired. B option, she said that she was tired. C option, she says that she was tired. D option, she told that she is tired. Which of these are the correct answers? She said, I am tired. Change into indirect speech. A. She said that she is tired. B. She said that she was tired. C option. She says that she was tired. D option. She told that she is tired. Which of these following is correct? A, B, C, D. The children who have not received the bubble sheet just have to, you have already written the question number 3 dot and you write the option A or B or C or D in capital letter. All right? All right. I hope you all have done the third question. Can we go to the fourth? Yes? Right. We shall proceed to the fourth question. They dashed to the park yesterday. They dashed to the park yesterday. A go, B going, C gone, D went. They dashed to the park yesterday. Once done, let me know. Right. I'll repeat the question once again. The fourth question is, they dashed to the park yesterday. A go, B going, C gone, D went. Can I go to the fifth? Yes. The teacher said, honesty is the best policy. Change into indirect speech. The teacher said, honesty is the best policy. Change into indirect speech. A option. The teacher said that honesty was the best policy. B. The teacher told that honesty is the best policy. C. The teacher said that honesty is the best policy. D. The teacher says that honesty is the best policy, was the best policy. Which of these are correct? Right. Shall we proceed to the next? Yes. Can we proceed to the next? I'll read once more the question, then we'll go to the sixth question. So, the teacher said, honesty is the best policy. Change into indirect speech. A option, the teacher said that honesty was the best policy. B option, The teacher told that honesty is the best policy. C option. The teacher said that honesty is the best policy. D. The teacher says that honesty was the best policy. Right. I think I've given you enough time because the sentence is lengthy, so I've given you enough time. We'll go to this question number 6. We dash playing football when it started to rain. We dash playing football when it started to rain. A option are, B option were, C option was, D option had. We dash playing football when it started to rain. A option are, B option were, C option was, D option had. Yes. Are you done? Yes, hopefully you would have done. If you have missed out any question, you can type in the chat box. You can ask me to repeat that question. I will definitely repeat it. Let me proceed to the 7th question. I am reading a book. Change into simple present tense. I am reading a book. Change into simple present tense. I have read a book. B option, I reads a book. C option, I was reading a book. D option, I read a book. I have read a book. I reads a book. I was reading a book. I read a book. D option, I read a book. Next. So you have to, I am reading a book is the sentence. You have to change it into simple present tense. Right. Shall I go to the next? Question number 8. The splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors is known as A reflection, B refraction, C dispersion, D lateral inversion. Are you done? The splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors is known as A reflection, B refraction, C dispersion, or D lateral inversion. So we are giving you enough time to think and, shade the bubble or write the correct answer. Okay? The children who have received the bubble sheet will shade the correct bubble option A or B or C or D. The children who haven't received the bubble sheet will write the question number 8, put a dot and write your answer A or B or C or D in capital letters. Right, so let's proceed to the question number 9. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called A. Angle of reflection, B. Angle of incidence, C. Critical angle, D. Reflected angle. The question number 9 is the angle between the incident ray and the normal is called A. Angle of reflection, B. Angle of incidence, C. Critical angle, D. Reflected angle. Are you done? Once you're done, let me know. So let's proceed to the 10th. The front bulged part of the eyeball is called A. Cornea, B. Choroid, C. Pupil, D. Retina. The front bulged part of the eyeball is called A. Cornea, B. Choroid, C. Pupil, D. Retina. Please take your time. All right. Shall we proceed to the 11th question? Yes. To make a kaleidoscope, we require A. 3 plane mirrors, B. 4 plane mirrors, C. 3 rectangular mirror strips, D. 4 rectangular mirror strips. All right. Shall we go? Next, to make a kaleidoscope, we require A. 3 plane mirrors, B. 4 plane mirrors, C. 3 rectangular mirror strips, D. 4 rectangular mirror strips. All right. Done. Can we go to the next? According to the first law of reflection, the angle of incidence is A. Always greater than the angle of reflection, B. Always less than the angle of reflection. C. Always equal to the angle of reflection. D. Not related to the angle of reflection. Which of these are right? Come on, take your time, read the question, understand, and then, shade the bubble. Let me know if you want me to read it again. According to the first law of reflection, the angle of incidence is A. Always greater than the angle of reflection. B. Always less than the angle of reflection. C. Always equal to the angle of reflection. D. Not related to the angle of reflection. All right, we have given enough time for this question as it's a lengthy question, so you have to understand and answer. Let's go to the number 13. The image form in the eye is focused on the dash. A. Cornea. B. Lens. C. Iris. D. Retina. The image form in the eye is focused on the dash. A. Cornea. B. Lens. C. Iris. D. Retina. Question number 13. The image form in the eye is focused on the A option, cornea, B lens, C iris, D retina. Done? Shall we proceed to question number 14? Yes. White light is composed of how many colors? A single color, B, 7 colors, C, 5 colors, D, 3 colors. Question number 14. White light is composed of how many colors? A, single color, B, 7 colors, C, 5 colors, D, 3 colors. All right, done? This is right. Shall we go to the 15th one? Right. If you want me to repeat any question, do let me know through the chat box. I will definitely repeat it. So white light is composed of how many colors? A single color, B, 7 colors, C, 5 colors, D option is 3 colors. The 15th question. When light hits a smooth polished surface like a mirror, the type of reflection that occurs is called A. Diffused reflection, B. Regular reflection, C. Refracted reflection, or D. Scattered reflection. Take your time. Think before you ink. Come on. You can do it. The 15th question is, when light hits a smooth polished surface like a mirror, the type of reflection that occurs is called A. Diffuse reflection, B. Regular reflection, C. Refracted reflection, or the D option, scattered reflection. So are you done? Shall we go to the 16th question? Yes. You are asked to design an eco-friendly school. Which of the following will help the most? So 16th question is, you are asked to design an eco-friendly school. Which of the following will help the most? A. Plastic decorations. B. Paper plates for all meals. C. Solar energy and rainwater harvesting. D. Bright lights in every classroom. Yes, I will definitely repeat, Kardun, the question number 3. I will definitely repeat it. Thank you for notifying me. So, question number 16 is, you are asked to design an eco-friendly school. Which of the following will help the most? A. Plastic decoration. B. Paper plates for all meals. C. Solar energy and rainwater harvesting. D. Bright lights in every classroom. Okay, I've given you enough time, ample time. So let's proceed to question number 17, right? Yes, let's go to the question number 17. Why is teamwork important in school projects? A. It divides the work and builds cooperation. B. It lets some student avoid work. C. It makes projects slower. D. It reduces creativity. So understand your options well and your questions so that you can, shade the correct option. Why is teamwork important in school projects? A. It divides the work and builds cooperation. B. It lets some students avoid work. It makes projects slower. D. It reduces creativity. Done? Why is teamwork important in school projects? All right, so we'll proceed to the question number 18. Question number 18. How does technology affect the use of natural resources? A. It reduces human needs. B. It changes how efficiently we use them. C. It makes resources unlimited. D. It stops pollution. How does technology affect the use of natural resources? It reduces human needs. It changes how efficiently we use them. It makes resources unlimited. It stops pollution. All right. Shall we go to the question number 19? Read your questions, understand, and then answer. Right. I will move on to the question number 19. The study of earthquakes is called ecology, seismology, meteorology, or geology. The study of earthquake is called A. Ecology, B. Seismology, D. Meteorology, D. Geology. Done? The last question we are going to have, right? The 20, question number 20. We shall go to question number 20. Which gas do humans exhale while breathing out? Which gas do humans exhale while breathing out? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Which gas do humans exhale while breathing out? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Apart from question number 3, anything else would you want me to repeat? Please let me know in the chat box. I will definitely repeat it. Yes. I've received only one question number 3 to be repeated. I will repeat the question number 3. Are you done with question number 20? Yes. One to 15. Can you repeat? Oh, yeah, sure. GMS Lay, I will run through 1 to 15. You can definitely go through it. All right. Yeah. She writes a letter every day. Change it to past tense. You would have noted down the question. She's writing a letter every day. She wrote a letter every day. She will write a letter every day. She was writing a letter every day. Yes. I'm just quickly running through the questions. Please note it. They played football yesterday. Change into future tense. They will play football tomorrow. They play football tomorrow. They are playing football tomorrow. They have played football tomorrow. Okay? Question number 3. She said, I'm tired. Change into indirect speech. Yes, Kardun, this is the question you were asking me. Yes, please note it down. She said that she's tired. She said that she was tired. She says that she was tired. She told that she is tired. So as we are done already, giving you enough time, we are just running through the questions. Please have a look. We would not waste much time when we are running through it. Okay? Yes. Are you done? Can I go to the next? They dashed to the park yesterday. Option A, go, B, going, C, gone, D, went. Yes, ma'am. GSM Lehe is saying yes, ma'am. So just quickly, we are running through the questions. Now, question number 5, the teacher said honesty is the best policy. Change into indirect speech. The teacher said that honesty was the best policy. B option, the teacher told the honesty is the best policy. C option, the teacher said that honesty is the best policy. The teacher says that honesty was the best policy. Which of these, A, B, C, or D? V dash playing football when it started to rain. A are, B were, C was, D had. Next. I am reading a book. Change into simple present tense. I have read a book. I reads a book. I was reading a book. I read a book. Question number 8. The splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors is known as A. Reflection, B. Refraction, C. Dispersion, D. Lateral inversion. Question number 9. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called A. Angle of reflection, angle of incidence, critical angle, or D. Reflected angle. The front bulged part of the eyeball is called A. Cornea, B. Choroid, C. Pupil, D. Retina. To make a kaleidoscope, we require A. 3 plane mirrors, B. 4 plane mirrors, C. 3 rectangular mirror strips, D. 4 rectangular mirror strips. According to the first law of reflection, the angle of incidence is A. Always greater than the angle of reflection, B. Always less than the angle of reflection, C. Always equal to the angle of reflection, D. Not related to the angle of reflection. Question 13. The image formed in the eye is focused on the dash. A. Cornea, B. Lens, C. Iris, D. Retina. I'm just quickly running through the questions because we have already done all these questions, right? Question 14. White light is composed of how many colors? A. Single color, B. 7 colors, C. 5 colors, and D. 3 colors. Question number 15. When light hits a smooth polished surface like a mirror, the type of reflection that occurs is called A. Diffused reflection, B. Regular reflection, C. Refracted reflection, D. Scattered reflection. A, B, C, or D? Right. When light hits a smooth polished surface like mirror, the type of reflection that occurs is called. You are asked to design an eco-friendly school. Which of the following will help the most? A. Plastic decoration, B. Paper plates for all the meals, solar energy and rainwater harvesting, D. Bright lights in every classroom. Why is teamwork important in school projects? It divides the work and builds cooperation. It helps some students avoid work. It makes projects slower. It reduces creativity. Yes, I will definitely repeat the test number. How does technology affect the use of natural resources? Please choose your options. The test number is, I'll type it here and show you, 1423. This is your test number. Okay? Test number 1423. All right. Have you written your test number 2? And the question number 18 also done, right? So let's go to the next. Question number 19. The study of earthquake is called A option, B, C, D. Pick up your options fast. So I've given you your question number again on the screen itself. I've typed it. You're most welcome, GMS Lay. You're welcome. Right? Pick up. And let's go to the question number 20. Which gas do humans exhale while breathing out? A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, carbon dioxide, or D, hydrogen. So your question numbers again, this test number is displayed here. I've typed it 1423. I hope you all have written your test number. Those who have joined late also have quickly run through the questions. I hope you all have attended very well. So we'll wind up our session for today. Jai Vidya Shakti, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. Dhanyavad. Thank you, sir.